After years of refinement, Samsung is finally bringing the foldable we've all been waiting for. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has just been revealed, and while it may seem familiar at first glance, don't be fooled. This is the most significant leap in Samsung's foldable lineup yet. Technology Review is here to break down all the exciting changes and why this might just be the best foldable phone ever made. A design evolution that changes everything. For the past few years, Samsung has been criticized for keeping the same design language across its foldable lineup. But with the Z Fold 7, the changes are more than skin deep. One of the biggest gripes with past Fold models has been their narrow front displays, making them a bit awkward for daily use. Samsung has listened, and the Z Fold 7 is the widest fold yet, coming in 11 millimeters wider than the previous model. This means a larger and more usable cover display. A game changer for those who want a more traditional smartphone experience when the device is closed. The phone isn't just wider, it's also taller by 4.9 millimeters, making it the most proportionally balanced foldable phone Samsung has ever released. If you've been switching between Samsung's ultra flagship models and the Fold series, you'll find the transition smoother than ever before. Thinner than ever, Samsung's hardware breakthrough. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 sets new records for thinness, measuring just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded and 9.5 millimeters when folded. This is one of the slimmest foldables in the market, thanks to a complete internal hardware redesign. Samsung has introduced an all-new hinge mechanism, significantly reducing the crease while maintaining durability. Samsung's foldables have always been at the forefront when it comes to water and dust resistance, and the Z Fold 7 is pushing the limits even further. Expect better resistance against the elements, ensuring long-term durability for users who need a rugged, yet sleek device. A next-gen display that feels like magic. The new ultra-thin glass UTG display is stronger and more flexible than ever, offering an improved foldable experience with reduced creasing. Unlike previous models, Samsung has removed the built-in digitizer, meaning the S Pen functionality has been reworked. The new S Pen is slightly thicker and now requires separate charging, but since there's still no built-in S Pen slot, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. However, Samsung could have taken a different route by integrating a silicon carbon battery to free up space, but they've opted to refine their existing technology instead. Battery and performance. More efficient than ever. Battery life has always been a concern with foldables, and while the Z Fold 7 doesn't get a massive battery boost, efficiency improvements make up for it. Samsung's decision to use the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset means better power management and longer screen-on times without sacrificing performance. In battery tests, the Z Fold 6 surprisingly outperforms some larger battery foldables, thanks to Samsung's software optimizations. Expect the Z Fold 7 to take efficiency even further, making it a powerhouse that lasts longer while delivering incredible performance. Camera, a true flagship experience. Samsung foldables have always had good but not great cameras, often falling short compared to the Galaxy Ultra series. That changes with the Z Fold 7, which brings a major camera upgrade, finally putting it on par with the S25 Ultra in terms of picture quality. While the camera module may look similar at first glance, it's thicker, signaling that Samsung has finally prioritized better sensor technology and image processing. Whether you're capturing low-light shots, high-resolution landscapes, or detailed zoom images, the Z Fold 7 now stands shoulder to shoulder with the best Samsung has to offer. Samsung's foldable future, the Trifold, is coming. If the Z Fold 7 doesn't quite excite you, Samsung has something even bigger in store. Later this year, Samsung is expected to unveil its first TRI Fold device, pushing the boundaries of foldable technology even further. Samsung is proving that they're still the king of foldables, and with the Z Fold 7, they've delivered a near-perfect device. This is the foldable phone we've been waiting for, refined, powerful, and more practical than ever. Final thoughts: should you buy the Z Fold 7? If you've been waiting for a true game changer in the foldable space, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the closest thing to perfection yet. With its wider design, slimmer form factor, improved cameras, and next-gen display, this is the best foldable phone you can buy in 2024. Will you be upgrading to the Z Fold 7, or are you holding out for the next big innovation? Let us know in the comments.